In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make closed captions for Google Drive that supports positioning, color, and even backgrounds. Now, let's begin by showing you a quick sample of what I mean. I'm inside Google Drive, and this is a video that I've uploaded an English subtitle file for that has positioning, color, backgrounds, etc. Let's play it. In this DaVinci Resolve tutorial, I'll show you how to take high-quality screenshots or screen grabs in 3 simple clicks. Now, place your playhead where you want to take your screenshot. Let's assume you want this particular screenshot. Now, as you can see from this simple demonstration, we have subtitles at the top, subtitles at the bottom. That's for positioning. We have color, and then we also have a black background. These are CC, so you can turn them on or off. They're not open captions, that is, they're not binding to the video. So that's what I'm looking to achieve by the end of this video. So what I'm going to begin is by deleting this particular closed caption file. Let's delete it and let's close this particular page. So we have our video right here. Next up, I'll show you the tools we're going to use. So one of the tools we're going to use is YT Sub Converter, and this is a tool that gives us that particular possibility of having a subtitle format that is supported for that particular positioning, styles, and all that. So it's a tool for creating styled YouTube subtitles. If I read slightly about this tool, YouTube's inbuilt subtitle editor doesn't support styling of any kind, which is a big bummer. If you want formatting such as bold, italic, coloring, you need to upload a subtitle file instead. This site accepts a number of file formats such as real text, WebVTT, and TTML, but all of these come with their own limitations. And most importantly, none of them give access to the full array of features offered by the YouTube player. For that, you need to use YouTube specific format called SRv3, also referred to as YTT for YouTube timed text. It supports the following: bold, italic, underline, text coloring and transparency, background coloring and transparency, and includes hiding the background box completely, outlines, glows, drop shadows, fonts and font sizes, positioning, place your subtitle anywhere on the video like you just watched, karaoke timing, make the syllables of a song lyric appear as they are sung. This is really awesome. Vertical text, Ruby text. So YT Sub Converter can produce this file format for you. So it's a current version 1.6.3, and it's available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. You can download it, and for Linux you require something called Mono. Now it gives you the usage, and simply it's a .ass advanced substation alpha subtitle format converter to .ytt converter, and the creator has mentioned that you can use IGSub, and this is IGSub right here. I'll leave the links in the description below, and I believe it's available for Windows, Linux, and Mac. Yeah, it's available for all those different applications, and these are the releases right here. You can check them out to see what's new, etc. So, and the different packages that you can download right inside here. Now, I'll not be using IGSub. I'm going to use Subtitle Edit, and the reason for this is because I'm already accustomed to Subtitle Edit, and all I need to do is just create an ASS subtitle in Subtitle Edit. Subtitle Edit is available for Windows and Linux. So I think that's where we're going to begin. So I'm going to begin inside here. I'm going to get my video, and I do already have the subtitles for this video because it's the same one I just walked you through. And then go for File, Open Keep Video, and just get the SRT file for this. And these are our subtitles right inside here. Next up, I'll just change the format from SRT to ASS, Advanced Substation Alpha. And once I do that, we're going to get a couple of options. I'm also going to click on one line and press on Control A to select everything. Click on Styles here, and then maybe reduce this to something like 65. And then click on Apply. And you're going to see that even in the background, it's going to change. Next up, I'm going to say I need an opaque box. So you'll see it here. If I click on Apply, it's going to be available here, and then I'll click on OK. Now, let's assume I want the first 2 lines of this particular subtitle up here because maybe there's some lower third text down here. I'm just going to select both of them, click on one, press on Shift and click on the other one. right click, alignment, top center. So these two have gone up here, top center. And then let's say, as for these other two, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give them some color. Let's say we want them to be yellow. Click OK. That's fine. And then let's say these other two here, we're going to give them alignment for maybe top center, and then we give them some color. Let's say something like this. Click OK. So this is what we have right there. This is what this is going to look like, and this is what this is going to look like right about there. So that's what it's going to look like. So once you're satisfied, you'll need to save your file, save. It's going to prompt you if you've not saved before. I'll click on save. So it's gone to the same folder. So we have our ASS subtitle and our SRT. Now we're done in subtitle edit. That's my assumption. That's maybe the edits you wanted to make, but if you wanted to make some more, you can still proceed and do them before saving the final file. Just minimize this. And next up, we're going to use the YT sub converter to create what we want. You can click on the releases page here and then download the latest version for either Linux, Mac, or Windows. I'm on Windows, so I already have it downloaded. Now I'm just going to double click on it. It's going to open up. I can just minimize this, and then the ASS file that I just created, and you can actually see here drag and drop .ass .sbv file. So I'm just going to drag and drop this right inside there, and then click on style options. If there's anything else you need to add, you can add, but because I've already styled this in subtitle edit, there's nothing else I'm going to do. So I'll just click on convert. If you look at this folder, we have a new file here, how to quickly take high quality screenshots in DaVinci Resolve in 3 simple clicks .ytt. So that's done. We can close this and then go to Google Drive, and right inside Google Drive, we'll need to click on these 3 dots right here and then click on manage caption tracks, because this is where we need to add our styled closed caption file. And if I play this, if I click on CC, there's nothing that happens because there's no subtitle file available. So let's add our new caption track. Click on that, and then navigate to the folder with the caption track you want to upload. So click on file, and then it's this particular one. It's the YTT. Click on that, click on open, and it's uploading, and it's done. And once you're done, click on upload. It's done. It's going to refresh, and then when you come here, let's post this. You can already see the CCs are available. We can already now see we have one subtitle file. If I play this,
in this DaVinci Resolve tutorial, I'll show you how to take high quality screenshots or screen grabs in 3 simple clicks. Now, place your playhead where you want to take your screenshot. Let's assume you want this particular screenshot, and then navigate to File, and then Export, and then click on Current Frame as Still. Click on that, and then you can rename it the way you want and also change the save type.
Now, you can appreciate that we have created a closed caption file for your videos on Google Drive that has positioning, color, and backgrounds. That is super easy. Now, this is something I'll say that hopefully the folks at Google can make captions editable in the way you want them to be. But if that is not available, you'll need to use an array of tools, YT sub converter, to convert the ASS that you create in a software like IGSub right here, or even in subtitle edit that already has positioning, the colors and everything that you need. But my hope is that a subtitle edit can incorporate that particular subtitle format right inside here, because as for subtitle edit, it's highly updated, highly improved over and over again. And for them to include this, it would be a game changer in that the workflow would be much simpler. But that is how you can make closed captions for Google Drive that support positioning, color, and even backgrounds. Super simple, super easy. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.